what's in the back of the truck. I have so much stuff back here. A service guy never knows what he's going to get involved in, so we do have to carry a lot of things on our vehicle to take care of the customer because we never know what we're going to get. So some of these are tools scattered amongst parts, but I have anywhere from humidistats. This is for like wintertime activity. I have a bunch of thermocouples and generators. I have some AC renew. This is something that we inject into an air conditioner to quiet it down or help it work better. I have pipe dope, PVC glue, PVC primer, concrete anchors, heat trap gel. I have different electrical tape right here, foam tape in my hand. I have transformers and relays, and gas valves. I have a condensate pump. This product is, we inject it into an air conditioner when we find a small leak, so hopefully it'll seal up that leak and we don't have the same continuous pattern reoccurring from year after year. I have a hard start kit for a compressor. This is a manometer. It's another tool. I have an assortment of different capacitors. These are all capacitors back here. Dual capacitors for air conditioners. I have a gas pressure test kit. A couple tape measures, obviously. I have a refractometer for checking glycol and freeze protection. Again, whether it be the water furnace I'm checking or a snow melt system. What else do I have going on here? I have a parachute bag with miscellaneous screws, wire nuts. I have miscellaneous electrical like switches, receptacles, a couple breakers. Drill bit set. What else do we have going on here? I have that flush kit for tankless water heaters right there, guys. I have refrigerant reclaim jugs. I have white vinegar that goes along with this. There's glycol right here. This is my glycol pump that goes along with this. I have PVC fittings in that toolbox back there. I have my drill charger, spare line set for when I'm changing out an evaporator coil. I have 3 blower motors up here. I have a filter dryer. I have surge protectors. I have a drop cloth here to protect people's floor, you know, when we're in someone's house and we don't want to scratch up their floor. I have a glycol hand pump. I have a bearing puller. A water furnace tool for, again, checking glycol and freeze protection. I have an assortment of whether it be brazing and soldering stuff for whether it be doing plumbing or heating and air conditioning work. This is all an assortment of different circuit boards and igniters down here. A coil gun for cleaning air conditioners properly. I have ignition modules, circuit boards, sequencers, condenser fan motors, an assortment of different thermostats, vinyl tubing, thermostat wire, regular wire for just doing miscellaneous electrical stuff. I have an air scrubber, which is like a UV light, like a germicidal light that kills germs, and we put it in the ductwork. Refrigerant leak detector. I have a water heater safety tank. If we see a relief valve popping on a water heater, sometimes the bladder, sometimes the expansion tank's bad. And in a nutshell, I guess that's it. I mean, I could go over every little thing, but there's a lot of stuff in here. My basic hand tools are right here. That involves like an amp clamp, a meter, a small drill, a lot of small hand tools, nut drivers, temp probes, and then a vacuum. This is primarily used in the winter for cleaning up a furnace because we take a furnace brush and scrub the inside of a heat exchanger. We have that. I have sheet metal tools, a kneeling pad, silicone. The list goes on and on. It's endless in here. So that's where we're at.